I'm Robin Aldersson. I'm an arbitration practitioner from Stockholm, Sweden.
I'm Ross Mackenzie. I'm a partner with Adelshaw Goddard, a commercial law firm.
David Witherspoon. So I'm a guest lecturer here for the university.
It's really important that students learn the commercial realities of the law that they've learnt at university.
They come from very different jurisdictions, which is a great thing with this place. They are truly international. People are coming from across the entire world.
Some of them come out with real-world experience from their companies.
The programme is an intensive schedule providing face-to-face opportunities to ask the nitty-gritty questions.
The case studies we give them here have two key elements to them. So one is they are real-world projects, so they can see how these projects are actually coming forward outside in the real world. And then we put an extra academic touch to test them against these projects.
They will have access to different practitioners from different backgrounds, enabling them to ask all the questions that they have about life on the front line, advising clients.
And they get taken outside their comfort zone and knowledge zone, so it improves their level of thinking and critical analysis.
Ultimately, they will seek employment within the legal profession, and if they do that, especially if they go to law firms, having a sense of the practice of arbitration, it becomes very important.
The course gives them a fantastic selling point when it comes to their interviews.
Overall, it should make them much better positioned for a future career in this area of law.
So with the professional skills course, I thought it was a very good bridge between theory and the practical aspect.
Feels like on the intellectual property course is that you are in a firm dealing with a transaction as it happens in real time. So we've been having new facts coming out every day. As part of the role playing, we've been interacting with a fictional client every day and really having that sense of what it would be like in the real world to be dealing with a real issue as it happens.
The assessment for this course is also more practical. It's more a report you do for companies and writing a judgment in the end of it, and also a presentation you do for your client and for the CEO of the company.
I was totally new in arbitration. I never learned very much about it in German university. But in the last 2 weeks I gained a lot of experience in this field.
The lecturer will just introduce an idea, a concept, and then you're given simulations which you break off into different groups based on real life experiences and business cases that have happened.
As opposed to writing a dissertation in the summer term, you get an opportunity to be tutored and mentored by qualified professors and legal professionals from different parts of the world.
I was choosing between dissertation and professional skills, and as I was already working, I wanted to have something that would be practical for me. And that's why professional skills seem to me more suitable.
Other parts of the LLM course, you're getting the book learning, you're getting the academic understanding, but until you actually have to try applying that as if it was a real scenario, as if this was happening in real time, then you're just not getting that same authentic experience. And so I think what the professional skills course has really given me is that experience of what it's like if it's in real life.
For these 2 weeks, you are going to discuss only practical stuff and only the cases that were happened in real life. That's why it is so practical. And if you are going to work in arbitration and if you want to be a counsel, so you should definitely choose especially this program.
Highlight for me was discovering I could do things I didn't know I could do, and sort of getting validation from not just the facilitators, but my fellow colleagues. I think if you want a more hands-on approach to the industry and to this particular field, I think the professional skills will be very applicable.